I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is GiveWP. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a user makes donation via form. You can choose as you want. Select a donation form. Click Next. Now here search and select Moosend. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for the API key. Please visit Moosend API console. Now go to Setting on the top right corner. Then click on API key under Setting. Copy this and paste it on the authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose Method. Then choose List. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Moosend. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your donation page. Type some information and submit the donation form. The donation has been done successfully. Now let's go to the Moosend. Here is the data that came into Moosend through the integration. Thanks for watching.